Dude, poor guy.
Nah, man, it's your turn here. If you get another one,
It doesn't want to get
shoot it,
sued. It doesn't want to get sued. You can take
Nothing wants to get shot.
Here.
This is how we gonna make money.
This is Steven's turn.
This is the first raccoon
All right,
I've
y'all.
ever seen.
We got Steven, the trapping man.
I hope he got away.
Best trapper I know. Say hey, Steven.
I'm one of the only trappers you know.
Now, we got this here coon. Wait a minute now. Let's get an interview. This is Mr. Coon. All right, Steven.
Steven, did you shoot it?
We don't want to get all that kicking on video.
Steven, where'd you
It's kind of
shoot
horrible.
it?
I don't know if you want to post that on Facebook or not.
No.
I see the black.
How's it feel, Steven? First
Pretty
coon.
good.
First
Second
coon.
See the black?
We a team.
Steven, how is it still alive?
There's my
Nah,
babies.
It's dead.
How is it still alive?
It's dead.
How is
All right.
it still alive?
We out. We'll let y'all know if we catch something else. Say bye, Steven.
Yes. Bye-bye.